What's up everyone, my name is Alex Kouras and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving myself probably one of the hardest self haircuts I've ever given myself, which is the Mohawk fade. I've never given myself a Mohawk. I've saved it for today to give myself a Mohawk fade. I've been too scared to do it over all these years cutting my own hair, but today I feel confident and I'm ready to try out this new self haircut. So without any further ado, let's jump right into this Mohawk fade. So the first step that I want to take is to give myself that V look on the back of my head. So I've got my wall trimmer right here and I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can give myself a nice V on both sides to give it that nice Mohawk look. Alright, so I know it's not perfect, but I think I did a pretty good job. I tried to give it that nice V, just to give it kind of like a foundation, so when I go in and fade the sides and give it that like rainbow Mohawk shape, I don't have to go back and do any crazy work. The outline's already there, like the base work, the framework is already there. So let's jump right into the faded portion of the self haircut. So pretty much I'm just starting off like I usually do for my fades. I've got the no guard with the lever completely closed, and I'm just going to be going in and making a small guideline going around my ear. I just finished the first guideline. Here is what we're looking at on the right side and then on the left side. So not too bad. It's got that slight roundish shape. So I'm just gonna go in now with the no guard and the lever completely open and give myself about ½ an inch for the second guideline.
Instinct.
So one of the things I wanted to note really quick, if you guys want to do a self haircut like this one, you have to grab the clipper a certain way, and note that your hair grows in different directions. So with that being said, you can't go in the same direction as you would normally. Just because you're cutting outward this way to get that Mohawk look and go towards the back of your head, you still have to go up the back of your head like this. So you have to go up against the grain of your hair to cut it like this, but you can't necessarily go sideways with the hair to cut it. In order to get a good cut with the hair, you have to go against the grain going like this. And then especially right here in the corner, your hair starts to change shapes and change directions. Here you have to use the corners of the clipper and just give it a nice round shape with the clipper. So it's a little bit difficult because you have to figure out which way your hair is going, and then you have to make sure you're holding the clippers properly and you don't use too much of the clipper in order to get a small section of hair. So right now I'm going to go in and close the lever completely, maybe put it halfway open as well, just to really blend in this hard line. Okay, so using the number 1 guard with the lever completely open, I'm gonna go in and do the same exact thing, going about ½ an inch to ¾ of an inch up from this previous guideline and just really trying to keep this nice round shape. Alright, so I'm done with the number 1 guard lever open. Now to blend in this hard line right in here, I'm just gonna go ahead and close the lever completely just to soften up the hard line here. And then afterwards, I'm gonna put on the half guard and pretty much just close the lever, slightly adjust the lever as needed, and really just flick out this hard line to make it as smooth of a transition as possible. Alright, not looking too shabby. It's not too bad, I don't think. I obviously have to go in and fix the beard right here, but the fade so far, it's looking pretty good. So I got the 2 guard with the lever open, and I'm gonna go up about another 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, and then go in and blend that out afterwards. Again, still following the same contour of the shape of each guideline. So I know you guys noticed that as soon as I got from right here to the back of my head, the number 2 guard with the lever open pretty much just stopped cutting. So obviously my hair hasn't grown out long enough to make it even, at least to the length on top right around here. But that's all right because I'm gonna do my best to blend everything together. So as of right now, I've got this massive hard line right here. I'm gonna close the lever with the number 2 guard, and then I'm gonna go in with the 1.5 guard and play around with the lever on here, maybe close the lever and then open it a little bit just to knock out this really distinct hard line.
Go gentle into that good night.
Alright you guys, so we're almost there. We've got one more hard line left using the number 3 guard with the lever completely open. And then yeah, that's pretty much the fade. So far it's looking pretty good, but I still have to go in and fade my beard and then sharpen up the line a little bit more. So number 3 guard, lever open, let's knock out this final hard line. Alright, not too shabby, not too shabby. Let me go ahead and fix up my beard really quick, and then I can jump in, grab my scissors, and start messing with the top. Woo! So we're pretty much done. So we are pretty much done with the fade. All right, looking pretty good. I got the beard nice too. So now I've got my scissors and my comb, and I'm just gonna go in And honestly, I just want to texturize the top so it has that cool textured, and then I can style it as a mohawk as well. But I also have to blend in the back portion right here so that it all kind of blends in to the shorter length in the back of my head. So let me start cutting away and show you guys what I'm doing. And so, to finish off the self haircut, I'm going to be using the foil shaver on the back of my neck here just to really clean up this entire point. And I want to sharpen it up a little bit, put the trimmer back on, and try and get it as clean as possible to give it that really cool mohawk finish.
Go gentle into that good night.
But guys, I hope you enjoyed this self haircut. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below or just DM me on Instagram at Alex Kouras. I'm pretty good at getting back to all of you guys when you DM me. But let me know what you thought of this self haircut. Do you guys think I could have done a better job? Or for the first time, giving myself a mohawk self haircut, what do you guys think? Did I do a good job? But if you guys did like this video and you found some value, make sure you guys leave a like and share this video with a friend. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure you guys click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. And if you want to learn in much more detail how to cut your own hair and save your time and money by not going to the barber shop, definitely check out my self haircut course using the first link at the top of the description. I also created a second YouTube channel where I talk about real estate, finances, and news related topics. So if you're interested in those topics, definitely feel free to subscribe to me on that channel. I'll leave that link in the description down below and in the card section above. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!